To use YouTube TV family sharing, you need to have a YouTube TV subscription and a Google account. Start by going to the YouTube TV website and signing in with your Google account. Once you are signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, select Family Sharing and then click on Set up Family Sharing. You will be asked to create a family group, which requires you to invite family members to join. You can invite up to 5 family members to join your YouTube TV family plan. Each family member will need to have their own Google account to join the family group. Once you have created your family group, you can manage the settings for each family member. You can add or remove family members. And you can also set parental controls for family members who are under the age of 18. To add a family member, click on the Add Family Member button and enter their email address. To set up parental controls, click on the family member's name and select Edit. Then, select Parental Controls and choose the level of restriction you want to apply. You can restrict access to certain types of content, such as mature themes or explicit language. YouTube TV family sharing also allows you to stream on up to 3 devices at the same time. This means that you and your family members can watch different channels or shows on different devices without interfering with each other. To stream on multiple devices, simply sign in to the YouTube TV app on each device with the same Google account. In addition to streaming on multiple devices, YouTube TV family sharing also allows you to access a cloud DVR with unlimited storage. This means that you can record as many shows or movies as you want and store them in the cloud for up to 9 months. To access the cloud DVR, click on the Library tab in the YouTube TV app and select Recordings. Overall, YouTube TV family sharing is a great way to share your YouTube TV subscription with your family members and enjoy a wide range of TV channels and shows together. By following these steps and setting up family sharing, you can create a personalized TV experience for each family member and enjoy the benefits of streaming on multiple devices and accessing a cloud DVR with unlimited storage.